how to find off-market commercial real estate deals. I have some tips that I'm going to share with you that I've been using for the last 10 years. In today's episode, we're going to be going over why properties are sold off-market, what are the benefits of buying off-market, and finding off-market commercial properties. And at the end, I'm going to share a bonus tip with you that might surprise you. Off-market properties are properties that just aren't listed yet on the MLS. There could be pocket listings or just listings that are properties that are intended to be sold, but they just don't want them on the MLS for certain reasons. So pocket listing is a big one where commercial real estate agents will get the listing but not actually list the property. They'll use a small network to get the word out so that if you're in that network, you have the opportunity to buy that property. Or it could simply be just a property that's just not listed yet. Why are properties sold off market? One reason is maybe the seller doesn't want to disrupt their business. They don't want to cause chaos inside of their business or any sort of rumor mill stuff. They'll do an off-market sale so they don't draw so much attention from the public or maybe even an employee from seeing it listed somewhere. The property could be in distress and the seller could be very private and not want to disclose what's going on. That's very common actually. Creates exclusivity. So sometimes if something's listed, less people want it, but let's say it's a pocket listing or a listing that hasn't hit yet. Now it's something not everybody has. It actually can, from a marketing standpoint, draw more people in and create that sense of urgency. The other thing is typically on an off-market deal, there's less commissions paid. What are the benefits of buying off-market? Typically, there's less competition, so you could actually get in there, and I like to have a conversation with the seller. This allows that without a lot of interaction from other potential buyers. So one of the benefits to the seller is there's more privacy, so less people know about it. What I like best about it is it allows me to have better negotiations when there's less competition and I can interact with the seller. Before we get to finding off-market commercial real estate deals, subscribe to our channel. How to find off-market properties. There's several different ways. You could do cold calling, which I've done, direct mail as well, networking, online sites like Connected Investor. You could also get on commercial buyers lists and let other commercial real estate agents know that you're looking to buy a specific type of asset. This involves you working or connecting and networking with commercial real estate brokers. At the end of the day, if I'm a commercial real estate investor, who am I going to call when I'm ready to sell? I'm going to call a commercial real estate agent to list my property or give them a pocket listing or put the word out that my building's for sale. So the better networked you are in this area, the more likely you are to see deals. Here's one thing that's worked for me. So if you're a residential real estate investor looking to make the move into commercial, one thing that you'll want to pay attention to is the relationship that you have with your commercial real estate broker. It's slightly different than in residential. Residential, you have deals coming from you all different directions, and maybe you work with different agents and different brokers. In commercial, I try to bring my commercial broker into every deal, and in return, every off-market opportunity that he finds, he brings it to me first. It's a give and take. So here's my bonus tip. It's worked well for me. It's worked phenomenally well, and I think it would work for you as well. And that is to find one commercial real estate broker that you can work with and hone that or foster that relationship, if you will. Because if you're bringing them deals and they're bringing you deals, it's just going to be a give and take. Right now, I have a great relationship with my commercial real estate broker. He brings me every off-market opportunity and even on-market opportunity that maybe people aren't seeing the opportunity, but he knows what I'm looking for. So he sees that asset the way that I would see it and brings me that opportunity to take down. Anyways, it's different than residential. Commercial real estate is a smaller industry. It's well networked. I recommend you get in, find someone that you could work well with, and blow up your real estate commercial portfolio. So as a free gift, we have 14 ways for you to generate commercial real estate leads. Click on the link below in the description, and it's yours for free.